Welcome to our comparison of two popular portable washing machines. Today, we will be looking at the DXJJ portable washing machine and the Lungostar portable washing machine. We'll explore their features, specifications, and what makes each of them unique. Whether you're living in a small apartment, traveling, or just need a convenient laundry solution, we've got you covered. Let's start with the price. The DXJJ portable washing machine is priced at just $50, making it an affordable option for those on a budget. In contrast, the Lungostar portable washing machine comes in at $179. While it is more expensive, it offers additional features that may justify the higher cost for some users. Next, let's talk about capacity. The DXJJ model has a capacity of 10 liters, which is suitable for small loads and occasional use. However, the Lungostar model has a much larger capacity of 18 pounds for washing and 10 pounds for spinning, making it ideal for larger families or more frequent laundry needs. Finally, we have the spin cycle feature. The DXJJ portable washing machine does not include a spin-dry cycle, which means clothes may come out wetter and require more time to dry. On the other hand, the Lungostar model features a built-in spin-dry cycle, allowing for quicker drying times and more convenience for users. In conclusion, both the DXJJ and Lungostar portable washing machines have their unique strengths and weaknesses. The DXJJ is perfect for those who need a compact, budget-friendly option, while the Lungostar offers more capacity and features for regular use. We hope this comparison helped you make an informed decision. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more product comparisons.